Hey guys, what's up? This is Andrew for TRENDLINES.com. So in this video, as usual guys, we're gonna go through AMC GME price action. We're gonna have a look at what is happening on the rest of the market, and we're gonna also check the major indicators, US 10-year yield, the DXY, and see what this is telling us. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so let's start with AMC. So bam. Yesterday in my last video, I told you that we having, bulls were in control in the short term. We reached the 20-day moving average. That is always a very important moving average. Where we had this trend line, I explained to you guys why we use this trend line. We got rejected here. This is our area of resistance together with the 13.5 level. I told you yesterday that bulls were in control in the short term, but are a little bit losing control because we were missing the volume. This was before the close. After the close, we can see that the volume increased actually yesterday on a green day, which is positive. So I would say that bulls are, they're fighting well, that's for sure. Are they in control? Hard to say. I would say neutral on the short term, bearish on the medium term, and like we said, we can say bullish on the long term because it's AMC, right? But long-term signals are mixed, to be very honest. So right now, we are coming to test the 13.5 level. We got rejected here today. So we are still struggling. We are forming a nice pattern. Once again, let me put that in green. I prefer the green. Because we have a trend line here with many reactions, and we are right now consolidating just below. So you guys know that whenever we consider just below a resistance on low volume, so usually the consolidation happens on low volume, then a breakout with increasing volume is a very good bullish signal. So let's see what's going to happen here. I have more things to tell you, but very quickly guys, I have a big announcement to make. The crypto bulls that I'm talking about for quite some time, guys, we started this together. We started it on my Discord with some ugly designs at the beginning, and we arrived with that, guys, with the crypto bulls NFT club. So the website has just been released today, guys, and I made a video that I posted on Crypto Bulls YouTube channel. You need to go check it, guys. I'm not going to explain everything here. It's a 10-minute video. I'm explaining everything about the project, and we are going to do great things. So go check this video, subscribe to the Crypto Bulls channel, come to the Discord. We got a mint in 2 weeks. We have a very high engagement because our art is just amazing. Our project is very strong. The team is strong. It's Gabriel, me, my brother, my cousin. We're going to, really do amazing things. And I really want you guys to be part of this adventure because you know that I come from, trading AMC. I'm going to the NFTs because there are a lot of good things to do there. And I want you to join, guys. I prepared everything for you to be welcomed to this new community. And once again, go check the video. I'm explaining everything. Most NFT projects, seriously, is bullshit. What we are going to do is, I think, pretty unique. We're going to use our skills to grow a fund. Half of the profits, half of the funds from the mint go to a vault, and we're going to use that to do crypto arbitrage, to make money, and to give this money to charity. We're also going to develop Web3 applications. We're going to basically do something great for the crypto space. So go watch this video, like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope I'm going to see you in the Crypto Bulls Discord. Let's get back to AMC, guys. So, like I said here, we need to see what's going to happen here. A breakout would be perfect. It can very well happen. Once again, it's going to depend on what is happening on the rest of the market. AMC cannot, go really higher by itself. To the 25-30 area if the rest of the market is bearish. This is quite obvious. We can have one day crazy move up if the rest of the market is tanking, but not a week or a month. And this is what we need. Like you see, to have a nice move up, it develops in 2-3 weeks, 1 month, and this was only one wave. So this up is done. And bam. So yeah, the level to go through is basically check the 20-day moving average. It's where you have the resistance area roughly. So today at 13.95, 94 right now. So let's see if we're able to go above that. And once again, it's going to depend on what is happening with the rest of the market. GME. So, bam, bam, bam. GME, we said that we have better signals on the regular scale. So we come back to the regular scale and look what we have. What I told you guys, this consolidation here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Okay? I mean, it's undeniable that this is a consolidation that is happening on low volume, just below a resistance, right? And for those who followed my course that is still available, you know, guys, that this is what we're looking for, and we just need a breakout with increasing volume. So let's see if we can have it. And once again, it's going to probably go together with the rest of the markets, but we can very well have an early signal on GME or AMC that could be used on the rest of the market. But I usually prefer to get signals from the global market and to apply it to AMC and GME. So here, the level to go through is the 95 level. And as you see, we have the 20-day moving average a little bit above at 111 right now, and we have the 105 resistance. So let's say that we have here a double resistance to go through, 95, first step, second step, 105, and probably if we reach 105, the 20-day moving average that is decreasing right now, as you can see, would probably be here as well. So I would say that the second resistance is 105, and this is what we would need for bulls to, you know, start getting back into this area. That is a nice area between 130 and 160. We have a lot of resistance, but if we arrive there strongly with increasing volume, we can, you know, have some nice moves. So now let's analyze the rest of the market that is going to tell us if all of that is likely to happen or not. So, like I said, I missed my bearish trade. I have, of course, still a short position that I'm happy to keep. I wanted to increase it. I missed it. Sorry for you guys in my Discord that followed my alert, because, you know, usually I'm quite accurate with triple Q. Not this time, but whatever. It's okay. Missing a trade is not like losing money. Missing a winning trade, of course. So here, I'm not taking profits. I'm just letting it go because I'm afraid that we do something like that, okay? This can be put in red. All right, so if we do that, of course, it's not good for AMC and GME. So basically, I'm using that as a trigger to tell me that the correction might be behind us, okay? And the trigger is gonna be given, I mean, the signal is gonna be given whenever we're gonna go through this trend line, all right? And once again, as you can see, the 20-day moving average is exactly on the trend line right now, okay? It's very often happening. You have those two resistance that are done using trend lines, all right? And moving averages that usually, you know, kind of converge, you know, and are giving the same levels. And this is a stronger resistance. So right now it's 310. So this is where I wanted to sell, of course, yesterday. Today, I didn't send any alert about that because, I mean, we are too far from it, right? So if we came back to it around the 310 level, I would probably post an alert. But once again, you guys know that I don't like to sell a level or buy a level when the resistance or the support has been tested multiple times in a short period of time, because it makes it weaker. So here we tested it not long ago. So if we tested today or tomorrow, I'm not sure I'm gonna sell here. So for now, I don't post any alert. I rather would like to make the opposite trade, which would be that. Bam. Okay. Wait for the breakout. You can see we have nice decreasing volume. That's very good. By the way, I have not noticed that. Yesterday move was happening on low volume. That's quite bullish. All right. Look here, the high volume in the way down. Correction, low volume, makes sense. And then we go again. So usually we should have had an increasing volume here. We didn't. So this is a good sign for bulls. It's not enough, but it's a good sign. So this scenario is losing a little bit of weight. I was saying 70%, I think, or 60%. Let's say it's a 55 or 60 today. I'm not going to trade here. I'm only going to buy at 270 the first time we go here, because we're probably going to have a bullish reaction if we come here. We could very well, you know, just start to be bullish again. And this is what I'm going to play. If we're bullish, I'm going to wait for the breakout and I'm going to take profit on my short position here. All right, on the retest. So this is my view. Let's check now the usual indicators that are giving good signs. US 10-year yield, as you guys know, we are following that for quite some time, and below the breakout level was at 285. We are today at 283, guys, so we are slightly below. Let's observe this closer, but for now we're still above. So I mean, for now the usual scenario, the most likely scenario, just looking at that, is retest and we go higher, right? And here we are retesting the level. We are still in the danger zone to me. So if I only look at this chart, to me, we are bullish and we should go higher. If this happens, we're gonna crash. So I'm monitoring that. But we are coming back to levels that are acceptable for the market, right? We used to trade at 285 last year, here. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. It's not last year, this was 218, sorry. And COVID was where? COVID was March 20, was here, all right. So, but this was a complete different situation. So now we are in, because here we had deflation. So in a deflationary environment, rates crash during a crisis. But in an inflationary environment, rates go up in a crisis. That it's like that. I could explain, but it would take a little too long. I have explained that many times in previous videos as well. You can go and check any triple Q video. But whatever, let's get back to it. So it's pretty positive. And DXY, same guys. I told you 103 is the level to watch. We were above. We are coming back below. So we can very well go higher again, which would not be good for the market. But if we're coming back below the 103 level, it's quite good. So we have positive signals from the two indicators, but they are still giving a bearish environment signal. Let's be very clear on that. DXY gives me bearish signal. Rates, US 10-year yield gives me bearish signal. We are bearish definitely on triple Q. And we are only slightly bullish on the short term on AMC and GME. So we are still in a very bearish environment, very fragile, very dangerous. So that's why let's be careful. Stay close to shore, as I explained before, guys. Don't try to play the hero. And that's it for today. So do not forget, guys, to go and check this video about Crypto Bulls. Link in the description. Subscribe to the Crypto Bulls channel. Join us on Discord. You're going to be well treated coming from Trading Senses channel. Trust me about that. And once again, we are going to do great things. I want you to be part of it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget as well to click on the sub, like and bell button if you have not already. And stay close to shore. See you guys.